because his voice sounds so much like an instrument, the only way I could describe it is calling him the Prince of Kazakhstan with the diamond vocal cords, because of the clarity and the brilliance and the sounds that comes out of his vocals. It's just absolutely stunning. There isn't even a word to describe it except for it's a diamond and it has 1,000 pieces. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. For all those who watched my previous videos, thank you so much. And for all those who liked and gave me a thumbs up and subscribed, thank you even more. So my fellow dears, in today's video, I'm going to do something a little different. I said in my previous video that I was going to start a series of me reacting to the reactors reacting to Dimash. But I'm going to switch it up. I want to react to Dimash doing my favorite songs first. So that's what I'm going to do instead. And what I'm going to start with is my absolute favorite song, which is No, the Vocalise version. And then I think my second favorite is Samotao. So if you're interested, please keep watching. My fellow dears, between the waterfall and Dimash's voice, it's like it's literally cleansing your soul for that entire 7 minutes. I mean, how beautiful is that? That is just the most beautiful soul cleansing experience I've had in any song by any artist out there. Just no words needed. Well, my dear friends, there was no words needed. Dimash doesn't need words. Dimash doesn't need instruments. Dimash doesn't need background singers, because he is the whole orchestra himself. And I absolutely believe some of the sounds that he makes just sounds like instruments, like they're coming from an instrument themselves. And I absolutely believe that this is a gift. He was given these special gifts from above, and I don't care how many people try to analyze and figure out and rationalize his level of vocal abilities. Some things just are going to remain a secret because they're special and they're a gift that he was given to be able to share with us and to bless us with. So instead of trying to figure it out, guys, let's just enjoy them. Let's just enjoy them, because I absolutely believe that Dimash's vocal cords are made up of diamonds. I absolutely believe that. And somebody is going to have to get me an X-ray or an MRI or some kind of view of his vocal cords to prove to me that it's not a big chunk of diamond with various pieces, and all shine with clarity and brilliance. You're going to have to give me a copy of you're going to have to give me a copy of an X-ray. That's the only way I'm going to believe it. So, my dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up and like, comment, tell me what your favorite Dimash song is and why. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because in the next song I am going to be reacting to Samultau, unless someone else want to share their favorite Dimash song that they would like me to react to. So please go ahead and turn on your notification bell. Be the first to know when I upload the next video. So my fellow dears, bye for now. Until my next video.